were just discussing ideas of what to do with the new Prince Eric movie.
Put a chick in it, make her gay!
This is South Park's warped panderverse version of Kathleen Kennedy. In this video, we will take a look at the MindHub Drives of the character and how it compares to the real-world version.
Well, that maybe we should go a different route than we did with Indiana Jones.
Fuck Indiana Jones, put a chick in it and make her name it gay!
South Park's Kathleen Kennedy refuses to listen to South Park's version of Bob Iger and his ideas for course correction. Put a chick in it and make it gay is Kathleen's mantra because she knows it was an effective formula to make profitable films. She does not want to budge because initially the method made large gains for the company. Kathleen shows a primary drive called greed in the system, meaning she has an insatiable desire for money, in this case making money for the company. She also portrays a drive called revenge. In the MindHub system, revenge does not necessarily mean seeking retribution from a group, it also shows a tendency to attempt to control processes, people, or situations. People with higher levels of revenge drive would like to control the situation and they are frustrated easily by what they perceive as opposition to the way they'd have things done.
Put a diverse woman in it, make it gay!
But Mrs. Kennedy, Bambi's a baby deer.
Fuck baby dear, put a chick in it, make her gay!
We see her working consistently on her projects, bossing her employees with a bullhorn. Consistent effort to accomplish professional goals is primary ambition drive. We can also see that her ambition is combined with her aim to control. The extreme version of the revenge drive is called Autocracy. Kathleen's repeating "put a chick in it and make it gay" over and over without justifying or elaborating on the reasons why that would be useful, may be an expression of this extreme drive. The communication style of autocratic people is often tautological. They make imperative statements, are confident in them, and see no reason why they would need to explain them to anyone. Repetition can also be a very effective means of controlling people.
There you are, Miss Kennedy, the linguine and clam sauce.
Excuse me, I believe I asked you to put a chick in this and make her gay?
Yes, the chef was a little confused what you meant by that.
It means put a chick in the linguine and make her fucking gay! And I want it lame!
During the dinner scene, we see that Kathleen orders a dish with a lame and gay chick, which obviously doesn't exist. This is a humorous way of showing how an extreme drive can take over all areas of the person's life.
I think that things are being kept from me. And if you're going to keep things from me, then you'd better put a chick in it and make it fucking gay as fuck.
What we can find refreshing about South Park's Kathleen Kennedy is that she is not going after specific people and doesn't seem petty or resentful against individuals. She is just a little dictator. The combination of primary drives revenge, ambition and greed are a MindHub profile leaning slightly proactive and very social. The real Kathleen Kennedy is also likely proactive and social with primary ambition and greed drives. These drives are quite common for executives of multi-billion-dollar companies. However, based on interviews, we see evidence that she likely has extreme principles rather than extreme revenge, which, in the MindHub system, is fanaticism. Interestingly, the MindHub profile of the real Kathleen Kennedy is more proactive than the South Park's version, which means that she would be more impulsive and not naturally a planner. While she doesn't want to have monetary losses or make flops, she is most concerned with injecting messages that she believes in into her films. She is ready to sacrifice a brand for the potential impact she can make, but doesn't seem to be such a control freak in real life.